This question is very important to understand PEMDAS rule. First, we solve for parenthesis. In this case, 12 plus 9, 21. Next comes exponent like 6 square here. Now is the tricky part. You have multiplication and division. Since multiplication comes third, should we solve for multiplication? No, because multiplication and division have exactly same priority. And if both are given in the question, solve the equation from left to right. Whichever comes first, solve it first. In this case, multiplication comes first, so this will become 42. And now go for division. And the final answer is 33.